Good morning, guys. I am heading off to Valencia in Spain with BMW UK to road test the brand new BMW i8 Roadster, so the convertible version of the i8. I'm heading to Gatwick now. I'm picking up a good friend en route, and I thought I'd do a vlog along the way because why not? You guys can join us along the route and see what it's like to go to one of these press launches. Of course, I'll do a complete separate video and review or road test of the i8 Roadster. I hope you enjoy. Let's get on. Fast forward half an hour and I've got my good buddy Brendan Fairclough next to me. He is coming on this trip, which will be fun. He's currently driving my my M140 and kind of
putting a smile on my face.
Yeah. What do you think of it, Brent?
Well, when I drove your older M2, that was I don't get a chance to drive a lot of cars at all, you know, and I drove the M2 and that put a big old smile. And up to now, I haven't driven anything more fun than that.
Yeah.
It's still been, the M2 has been the one for me. This is, I don't know, for just getting in it and just driving it, you can't really have any more fun than I don't know, it's like, for these little roads, you don't need anything more, do you, really? No,
it's lovely and compact. And I was just saying, like, you kind of expect the speed and the stability in the M2. Hey, I've got like my GL63 in it. I should have bought a smaller car though, innit? Because I just don't know how to drive it, innit?
Four-wheel drive, deal with the curbs.
Four-wheel drive, maybe they haven't got enough power, 560 brake horsepower, whatever the fucking thing's got. Is this the Rendog Airways? Thank you very much. Cheers. Cheers, mate. Coffee and champagne. It's just how you do it.
On the floor in the airport, like that.
You're aboard this Showing A319 series aircraft and flight to I do hope you enjoy flying with us today.
Maybe a flake with that one.
Thank you.
Who knows, we might be eating our words in 6 months' time. Or shooting our videos portrait.
You just don't know, do you? Right, so going out to all these car launches, you've obviously got to form a plan, because, you know, what's the point of going without a plan? So I'm really good at my plan. So basically, here you can see, that's the i8 there. That's me. Brendan's on the other side.
Your head's a bit bigger than that in the car, isn't it?
Oh, 1 second. Head's sticking up a little bit. That is the ocean, right? And that up there is a drone. So you can picture it in a nice ocean view.
Doesn't a drone normally end up in the ocean though?
No, notice how I haven't put any rock faces, because my drones tend to go towards rock faces. So the sky is
Thank you very much. That's 7 minutes to landing. 7 minutes to landing.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's as far as I've got, but you know, and that's as far as it would go. So for those of you who don't know Brendan sitting next to me, and I don't expect you to all know him, but I know a lot of my followers do know who he is. He's an exceptionally good mountain biker, but I'll just get him to run through quickly what he does.
Yeah, what I do is I ride bikes down the hill as fast as I can, and fortunate enough to travel around the world and be fairly good at it somehow. I think you're going to take your brain out on the ride down it. What I do basically is exactly the same as downhill skiing on a mountain bike. It's top hill, bottom of the hill, as quick as you can. But along with that, I do a lot of like filming stuff, edits for mountain biking, do a lot of other media events. So I like an event called Red Bull Rampage, which is crazy. I think you need to go on YouTube and investigate.
Yeah, I'll put a quick snap in there now.
6. Brendan Fairclough. 3, 2, 1.
Other like downtown races, like cool other media events like around in Mexico and South America and all over the place. So what I do is ride bikes, so it's pretty good.
Yeah, that's your main sponsors are Scott.
Yeah, my main sponsors are Scott, Monster Energy, Adidas, Trolley Design, supported by GoPro as well, so yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
And I'm going to plug my movie on Netflix, Definitely watch it on Netflix.
Oh yeah, 100%. I'll put a link to that below in the description. He spent how long filming that? 18 months?
It's about 18 months, but we had to race and do my actual job as well at the same time. We started filming like 8 different locations around the world, and that's ridiculous as well. So.
It's amazing, and it's on Netflix now, so I'll put a link to that if I can put a link to Netflix. But it's called Death Grip, and it's just, even if you don't like mountain biking, you're not into cycling, it's just a really amazing, it's like, imagine the Top Gear episode, in the sense that you just visit all these countries, and it's awesome, really cool.
Did you do it? Oh! Yes! Did you? Yes!
Is it?
That is
Isn't it? Arrived in Valencia. Now, little short trip to the hotel. And then a couple of drinks, food, maybe a quick swim in the pool. Right, we're just walking out to the beach. I said I was going for a swim. I wasn't lying. Emma Walsh. I'll just pretend to be. Welcome, Emma.
Thank you.
I haven't seen you in ages.
It's been a really long time.
It has.
Last time was at the go-kart track, I think.
Was it that long ago?
It was
Like
that-
a year and a half, 2 years ago.
Oh, that's shocking.
It is.
Yeah.
And then we've got our car expert resident in front, Brendan, in his...
Nifty shoes. Where'd you get those shoes from, Brendan?
my 5-star accommodation.
Yeah? Does that mean you're a full factory 5-star hotel?
Shoes in the
He's
sandy
only
beach,
going to
do I?
lick the hotel slippers.
They are so brilliant. I'd never think to do that, but that's brilliant. But anyway, yeah, we're going to go for a quick swim and enjoy this last bit of sunshine before we go and have a drink and some food. Hey.
It's creeping.
If I hold up here, then it gets everyone in.
That's better, yeah.
Yeah.
You know how hard it is for me because I'm really short. I normally have to like...
Yeah, if you hold it, what happens? Do I just...
Oh, you just disappear.
I'm just like
I have to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello.
We've just been for a nice little dip and it was boiling out there, which doesn't sound very refreshing, but it was nicer the further out we went. But it was very busy down there, as you saw. And it was literally just to say that we'd done it. Been there, done it.
Tick.
Tick in that box. Oh, we're back at the hotel now. Look at that.
Wow.
What a place. I think my room is up there somewhere. Awesome. Hey! What do you think, mate, so far, this car launch?
So far, so good.
It's pretty hard work, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's kind of like one of my mountain bike adventures I do for myself.
Oh, look, you're getting double vlogged here, Brendan.
No, well, I'll let you know when I'm in the car.
Yeah, perfect. This is what BMW UK put on for us when we come on these launches. This is just us for evening drinks, basically. I assume we're having breakfast here in the morning. Lots of little i8 Roadster stuff, so you know where you are, you know what you're here for. Roaster's there. Guessing we're going to have a presentation in the morning. I'll be slightly hungover. More i8 Roadster stuff. There's the beach out there we've just been out. There's our drinks. Yeah, that bar is just for us over there. And down there is a beautiful i8 Roadster. I mean, look at the setting. Isn't that just amazing? And then, yeah, this is beautiful. And I'm just going to go back and get my beer. Emma Walsh, beer. Morning, guys. It's 10 to 6. And I'm off to go and watch the sunrise. Right, so Brendan and I got up about 5:30 this morning. We left the hotel dead on 6. We've come up to this incredible place about 40 minutes from the hotel. We're about to watch the sunset. Hopefully you can see it's picking up the colours over there. But it's just incredible morning. Car has been awesome. Look at it just sitting there.
Bleeping away.
Beeping away. Yeah, amazing. I'm going to get the drone up and hopefully get some really cool footage.